Everybody, Justin Vodenhall here for Rich & Sons. Today I wanted to show you some brand new seasonings we just brought into the store that I think is going to enhance your barbecue this year. We've got the company called Slap Your Daddy. It's a company that the pitmaster is Harry Sue. He is one of the most amazing guys that you've ever seen. If you've ever seen the show Pitmasters, which aired, I don't know, probably 5, 6, maybe 7 years ago, he was one of the contestants on there. He always made you laugh whenever you saw it. But he's got some neat seasonings. This one here is called it's called Jailbird Chicken. We've got Porkalicious. We've got the Texas Brisket one. And then he's got a couple other ones that are pretty cool. We also brought in the brand called Cosmos. This is another national name company out there as well. They've got some great seasonings too that are great for chicken, pork, beef, whatever you've got. We've got the Dirty Bird, we've got the Cow Cover, Hot Dirty Bird, and then we've also got the Honey Killer Bee. So a couple different things. And then we've also got Dano's seasonings as well, which has been a popular hit among everybody too. Your original spicy, the everything bagel, and then also your hot chipotle too. We've also got your Worcestershire sauce from just the W sauce, and then they'll also make their spicy sauce. And we still have some Meyer and Mixon's barbecue sauce in stock as well. The other thing that we've got in stock too is the smokeless logs. And so these are great firewood that if you wanted to make a fire at the campground, but you don't want to get all smoked out, this is a great option for you too. So come on, check us out. If you've got any questions, please feel free to give us a call, 308-384-2009.